Super windy day. How's that fish? So we're going upwind. A little tacking. Here come the ducks. Alright. A little downwind. Ooh, look at that lean. There we go. Huh. It's not as fast as I thought it'd be. Got a nice breeze too. So that's all downwind. Let's turn around. Let's tack. Don't want to tack. It wants to go that way. That's a big breeze. Got to force it. Force it. Force it. There we go. Come on, there, there. That's it right there. That's the sweet spot right there. Coming back into the wind. Okay, tack this way. Tack that way. I'm trying. This is more stressful than the go fast boats. Once you get that lean, that means there we go. Nice, nice tack. Nice tack. We're still going upwind. I'll just keep the sails closed. Yeah, so not so much wind over there. See if we can get a downwind run. Sails fully open. Come on, let's get some of that wind. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, they're both open. We're hauling ass. That sail isn't fully completely open. There you go. Oh, wow. It dug in. And we're going to do a tack. Watch out, turtle. Another tack. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see if I can bring it over to me. That would be important. There we go. There we go. Pretty cool, man.